The ATOJET AJ8200MC Showerhead Set delivers a noticeably smoother, spa-like spray that feels gentle on sensitive skin while still rinsing efficiently. Its multi-stage carbon-based filtration cartridge helps cut down on chlorine, rust, and other common tap water impurities that can aggravate dryness and redness. Users with easily irritated scalps may appreciate that the filtered water tends to feel less harsh on the roots and helps reduce that tight, itchy sensation after long showers. The housing is made from a plant-derived, bisphenol-free material, which is reassuring if you are trying to minimize contact with conventional plastics in daily routines. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hose, mounting hardware, sealing tape, and small wrench, so most people can set it up without calling a plumber. For those who follow detailed skincare steps, this showerhead works well as an early part of the routine by providing cleaner water that better supports serums and moisturizers applied afterward.